Islamic Republic was even worse because they added to that past thinking of fearing Soviet Union to begin with a religious idea that did not see Iran or any particular part of the country as a container. They were just a contained, that is to say, it was the Islam that was the container in which coffee, tea, all kinds of stuff could be put in. It was Iran, it was Talish, it was, I don't know, Gilan, it was some other places. So, unfortunately, Islam didn't have that view of nation state. They had religious state as opposed to nation state. And beyond that concept and the fear of the original Soviet Union, I think the Islamic Republic also feared that any change in the geography of the region would jeopardize the Iranian geopolitical position or condition or territorial integrity. They